We will continue to clean it, no, in that area kasi siyempre puntahan na yan ng tao, and whatever garbage that will give us, we have to do our part as a city government and working hand in hand with the national government. In this case, apat na bahagi ng pamahalaan, no, ahensya, lokal, MMDA, DPWH, saka DNR. So tulong-tulong lang, but first things first, yung talagang pinagtutuunan namin ng pansin ngayon ay yung hinihingi ng mga taga Maynila na bigyan ng atensyon yung pagbaha. Because marami talagang nadidisgrasya. And we don't want to see in the news that because of na nagbaha, may buhay pang nakitil, no? For whatever reason. And itong pansamantala na ginagawa natin, one way or another, through some resources na in the future na pwedeng ma-utilize ng national government towards to this project, dumating. Pero hindi naman para ikipit balikat namin yung sitwasyon. Katulad namin,